Good morning, everyone. Today, me and my team members are here to discuss about our education system killing our creativity or not. In my point of view, in our education system, schools and colleges are pressurize the children on about their grades and marks. What is your opinion on this, Harshvardhini?
Yeah, in my point of view, the school skills creativity. So, in the as overall the world and the school system and the education system, and they are only pressurized at the grade marks. They are not thinking about creativity thinkers, and in the school kids they are evaluating the grade marks, but they are not evaluating the creativity thing. So, what is your opinion, Bhavani?
My opinion, encouraging creativity in education can lead to innovation, the problem solving skills, and essential to the future. What is
In my point of view, education kills creativity because of less time to think about the creativity for the students. Teachers also assigning homeworks and works to lot of works to students, so they have less time and they have to focus on study and do hard work about the marks and grades. Parents also thinking about the society, what they will say about as if they got less marks. So I think it is the reason for
Creativity is beyond the expression. Creativity is light. It has no wings. It can be done by any time and anywhere. And creativity is also part of it. We need innovative mind to think about activities like dancing, drawing, etc. What's your opinion, lastly?
In my opinion, many education systems is only focusing about the grades. In one class, 15 members are there. One person should be a topper. What about 49 members? They have individual talent about dance, sports, etc. Many education only focusing about the grades. I have to say that they have also improved extracurricular activities and program based learning.
Yes,
And
Rasmi, you're right. They have to push the children in the sports like dancing, singing. Is there? They have their own creativity. We have to push it.
In our olden days, teachers taught them how to behave with a man or how to behave in your relatives, how to behave with your relatives. But nowadays, they're teaching the problem and question and answers. But they're not teaching how to behave with people, and they can't grow up children in a creative way. They're just growing like a machines.
they just saying to study and to gain the marks.
Yes, their one and only passport is to get marks, not to get knowledge.
And children is known that in creativity in schools and colleges as they are only uh, focusing on studies and not on sports.
The availability of the creativity of people discover the new original ideas of solution and problems. Nowadays, the India education system is no creativity.
Yeah, our system just focusing on marks, but they're not talking about creativity. What we meant by creativity is the ability to solve a problem. But nowadays, the students have just answers in their guides, text notebooks. They don't have creative knowledge, but they're not thinking that how to solve a problem in different manner. They're just thinking and what would sir say on board. They just note it and write it in exam.
Yeah, the students also not thinking about knowledge because they get habited to material study.
Yes.
They are giving answers and questions and they are
Just by
by hearting and get it on the paper. They are not taking knowledge by this type of learning.
some limited freedom of the creativity to explore the new things of students.
Many of the government schools lack of infrastructure. If the student have the ability to create something innovative, lack of equipment something he can't able to do that.
Because of lack of creativity knowledge, they're just going like machines and robots, but they're not talking and they're not thinking. What the school teaches to us is we should we should solve a problem in mathematics. They just note it and by heard it. But if the teachers teach them how to solve a problem, and they can solve the real-time examples also, real-time situations also they can easily solve their for lifetime problems. Okay, I conclude that we all are focusing on grades and marks, so we should not focus on them. We should focus on our creativity knowledge. Thank you.
Good morning, Vanilla. We are here to discuss on the topic is our education system kills the creativity. In my point of view, I can say that it is true. School skills creativity. It's the school system all over the world. In schools, we pro- the school system produces people who are very good in education, not in creative thinkers. Um, Are you agree with my point?
Yes, I agree with your point. In our education system, schools and colleges pressurize the children, and the pressure is such that they have to give 8 to 9 hours daily to their studies and books in order to obtain good grades, but they don't have any time to be creative and innovative. What is your opinion, Radhika?
Yes. In schools, successful means getting good grade but not focuses on creativity. What the students think, what students are interested, they didn't see what students interest. In schools, creativity classes are conduct and how students interest on creativity or what they think, what they do, conduct creativity classes and
Yes, it is correct. And is only based on the marks and knowledge. And all the education systems like SSC, intermediate, and BTech is several, and mainly intermediate. They only focus on the marks and knowledge. They tell only the marks are the criteria. But here, the marks are not the criteria. We have to learn the creativity of our life. And if at all they fail, all the teachers will focus on this. They don't tell how to learn from the mistake. If at all they learn, they will learn how to create their own ideas. How about you?
Yes, you said right. At my point of view, children are spending a lot of time with the teachers only in um, from nursery to 10th class. After that, intermediate, they're spending a lot of time with the teachers. Teachers a lot. They are giving more preference to marks only, not creativity based. Students are not learning any practical based knowledge. They are getting education based. If we learn practical knowledge, we will remember lifelong, and we can apply the practical values in lifetime also. What is your opinion?
My opinion, most of the schools, colleges conducting classes, students preparing only for exams, not creativity in future.
Yes. In schools, they have to conduct some creativity programs like drawing and creativity, making creative things like that. For that, teachers have to conduct some classes also in that school time period. Yes, Samya. In schools, students are scared to make mistakes, to do creative things. So, in my opinion, teachers are give need to freedom for students to create or explore things.
In schools, there are students who have talents in arts, but they are not favorable conditions to further develop their skills as what they are actually ignore even.
Yes, even parents also giving more preference to marks, not their talent and even creativity. They are only good marks. They success in their life. Parents' point of view, they are thinking like that. What is your opinion?
To improve student creativity, we conduct project-based learning. Project-based learning allows the student to engage in real and encouraging innovative and creative problem solving.
Yeah, yes, what you said it is absolutely correct. And the academic system will have to increase the ability of creative mind and creative knowledge. And about
Instead of creativity, our education system is mainly focused on standardization, but the the most important thing is creativity rather than standardization. What about your opinion?
Yes, for that we have to conduct some classes, some subjects like Telugu, English, Maths. Like that, we have to conduct that creative classes. For that, students have to improve both English and creativity skills. For that, teachers have to uh, encourage them for that other creativity thing.
In many cases, the students are decided by their marks and score. For
Creativity is mainly
for that, creativity is missing. The student pattern is more exam focused. System doesn't help either.
Okay, finally, I conclude that creativity is more important in every student's life. Our education only focused on grades, marks, but not focused on creativity. In my opinion, our education system focused both on grade and in schools conduct creativity programs on any occasional times. Okay, thank you.